Yo, 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 happy hump day. As you can see, we got a new pickup here, but before we get into this pickup, get into that intro. We are back, so I had to get this pickup. I kept going back and forth to it for a couple of months. And when I do that, I say you need to go ahead and just get them. So I did just that. So I'm gonna open up this box, take a peek at them, and see what I think. Okay, so I took them out the box. Of course, I did look them over. Seems to be looking good. This is the box. Eight and a half, as y'all can see that, ready made. Bottom of the box. Box looks good. Let's open it up. That's the paper. This is a little rich, but and here y'all go. Y'all know I love me some blazers. When I saw these, they was right up my alley. They were very unique, different. I like the deconstruct look, so let me pull them out the box. I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time on these because they came out, I think, in February. So it's probably 1,000,001 videos on them. But I just wanted to come show you my pickup. So it came with these orange laces, which I'm not gonna lace swap. As you can see, this lacing system is like nuts right here. Yeah, this lacing system is crazy. I couldn't even loosen it up past here because sorry, somebody called me. Because these are pretty much the black, I think. Yeah, the black. Sorry, somebody called me. Yeah, because they're on this short thing, there's no, but it's not tight when you put it on. So I like all of the little details. Very well made shoe. All of the different fabrics. This is like a felt. Nice rubber on here. I like all of the details that they put on here. Again, I have been going back and forth about getting this because I don't like fooling with resale so much because all of the fakes and stuff that's out there, but I just went on ahead and pulled the trigger on these. I like the oversized Nike check right here with that in the back. And this is their trash material. A really nice shoe. I got an 8.5, as y'all saw, because I wasn't sure if they ran small or they ran big. I know my off-white blazers, they run a little tight, so I could have went with an 8.5 in those. So I was thinking the same thing with these, so I did get an 8.5, but it's all good. It still fits good, and if I wear a sock, it's still comfortable. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all these. Give you a nice scan. Again, very well made shoe. If these were on your radar, go ahead and pick them up. I got mine from Flight Club because that's really the only resale place that I shop at if I buy resale. Is Flight Club. I haven't been done wrong by them yet. The few pieces that I did get. You got the insole right here with Ready Made on there. So yeah, again, very thick materials, very well made shoe. They did a good job on this, and I'm glad that I was able to add this to my sneaker collection. So I will hit y'all with the on foot at some point. Peace out and enjoy the rest of your week.